Hi, this is the POCO F5 Pro and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So open first the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. To change notification, ringtone or alarm sounds, you should just tap on one from these available sounds, and here you'll see the online tones. You could use them, or the alarm, for example, notification or alerts. Also, you could switch ringtone to profile, tap to ringtones, and to select here one from these default sounds. Here you will see the volume panels, the media, ringtone, and alarm volume panels. So just to change them, we should slide to the left or to the right side these volume panels with your finger. Just slide it to the left or to the right. Here we got sound assistance section, or we could here adjust media sound in multiple apps to use multiple audio sources and to allow speaker sound. So just to activate and turn off all of these options, we should use the switchers. Let's go back. Here we got the silent mode. We could activate or turn off this option. Also to silence media in silent mode, to turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode with the help of the switcher, to use it when the device is locked, to notify it about the calls from no one, anyone, contacts, start contacts, and to notify about repeated calls. And also, if you want, you could set the schedule, the start and the end time of the don't disturb mode. Let's go back, and here in additional settings, we got the dial buttons, tap sounds, lock and lock sounds, screenshot sounds, uninstall and delete and charge and sounds, start up and turned off just sounds. Just with the help of these options, switchers, we should turn on and turn off all of those options. So go back, and here we could activate and turn off the haptic feedback to change the feedback level, haptic feedback level, and in sound effects to activate and turn off the Dolby Atoms, and to change the earphone control settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.